Hey guys! So today I'm going to be reviewing the SereneLife Small Portable Air Conditioner, a 12,000 BTU unit that's perfect for cooling, heating, and dehumidifying rooms of up to 550 square feet. As a busy mom with a toddler, keeping our home comfortable year-round is essential. This unit has been really helpful, especially with the varying weather that we experience. So I use this air conditioner in our living room and bedroom. Its portability and remote control make it very easy to move and adjust settings without any hassle. This unit has 4 modes: cooling, heating, dehumidifier, and fan. The built-in dehumidifier is excellent for humid days, and the heater works well for cooler nights. It also has rolling wheels and a nice compact design, which make it easy to move around. Some other pros are it's versatile, easy to set up, and operates quietly. The cons that I found were the exhaust hose can be tricky to fit and the unit is a bit heavy. Overall, I give the SereneLife portable air conditioner 4.5 stars. It's an excellent all-in-one solution for maintaining a comfortable home environment year-round.